Welcome to Upcoming Auto Reviews, where we bring you detailed insights into the latest motorcycles on the market. Today, we're diving into a machine that blends classic design with modern performance, the Royal Enfield Meteor 350. This cruiser is built for those who love relaxed highway rides but also want a motorcycle that's nimble enough for city streets. So, let's break down what makes the Meteor 350 an appealing choice for riders looking for a comfortable yet stylish cruiser. At the heart of the Meteor 350 lies a 349 cubic centimeters, air oil-cooled, single-cylinder engine that produces 20.2 brake horsepower and 27 Newton-meters of torque. This powerplant is designed for smooth acceleration and effortless cruising, making it perfect for long-distance rides. The fuel-injected system ensures better efficiency and throttle response, while the 5-speed gearbox offers seamless gear shifts. While it's not the fastest in its class, the Meteor 350 prioritizes relaxed cruising over aggressive acceleration, making it an ideal choice for riders who enjoy a laid-back riding experience. One of the strongest selling points of the Meteor 350 is its plush ride quality. The dual cradle frame paired with 41mm telescopic front forks and twin rear shock absorbers ensures a comfortable ride over bumps and rough roads. The low 765mm seat height makes it accessible to riders of all sizes, and the forward-set foot pegs encourage a relaxed riding posture. Whether you're commuting through city traffic or hitting the highway for a weekend ride, the Meteor 350's ergonomics and seat cushioning keep fatigue at bay. Royal Enfield has added a touch of modernity to the Meteor 350 without losing its classic charm. The Tripper navigation system, powered by Google Maps, is a standout feature, offering turn-by-turn navigation through a simple, easy-to-read display. The semi-digital instrument cluster combines an analog speedometer with a digital display for fuel level, trip meters, and other essential information. Additionally, the LED tail lamp, hazard switch, and USB charging port add convenience, making this cruiser more practical for everyday use. Equipped with a 300mm front disc and a 270mm rear disc, the Meteor 350 offers dual-channel ABS as standard. The braking system provides confident stopping power, ensuring safety during emergency braking situations. The 19-inch front and 17-inch rear alloy wheels, wrapped in tubeless tires, offer stability and confidence, whether you're carving through city traffic or cruising down open highways. The turn-in response is smooth, and despite its 191 kg curb weight, the Meteor feels well-balanced and easy to handle. Royal Enfield has successfully captured the essence of a classic cruiser with the Meteor 350. The round headlamp with chrome accents, teardrop fuel tank, and long rear fender give it a timeless look, while modern touches like alloy wheels and vibrant color options add a fresh appeal. The motorcycle is available in 3 variants, Fireball, Stellar, and Supernova, each offering distinct color schemes and design elements to suit different rider preferences. Whether you want a minimalistic look or a fully loaded cruiser with a windshield and backrest, there's a Meteor 350 for you. Despite being a cruiser, the Meteor 350 delivers an impressive mileage of around 35 to 40 km/L, making it a cost-effective choice for daily commuting and long rides. With a 15-liter fuel tank, it offers a decent riding range of over 500 km, reducing the need for frequent fuel stops. The motorcycle is also low on maintenance, thanks to its robust build quality and simple mechanicals, making it an ideal option for riders looking for a hassle-free ownership experience. The Royal Enfield Meteor 350 is not about speed or aggressive performance, it's about comfort, style, and a relaxed riding experience. If you're a beginner looking for an easy-to-handle cruiser or an experienced rider who enjoys long-distance touring at a relaxed pace, the Meteor 350 is an excellent choice. With its modern features, comfortable ergonomics, and legendary Royal Enfield charm, it's a motorcycle that appeals to both new and seasoned riders alike. That wraps up our review of the Royal Enfield Meteor 350. Let us know in the comments what you think about this cruiser. Would you pick it over other bikes in the segment? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to upcoming auto reviews for more in-depth motorcycle reviews. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next one.